What is a drone? You see them buzzing through the sky at parks or capturing breathtaking aerial videography over scenic landscapes, but what exactly are these flying machines? Technically known as unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, a drone is essentially a flying robot. Unlike airplanes or helicopters, they don't have a human pilot on board. Instead, they are controlled remotely by a pilot on the ground or autonomously through complex software and GPS. How do they fly so smoothly? Most consumer drones are quadcopters, meaning they use 4 rotors to lift off, hover perfectly in place, and maneuver in any direction with incredible precision. Originally developed for military use, drones have completely revolutionized modern life. Today, they are used for everything from delivering emergency medical supplies and inspecting massive bridges, to racing at breakneck speeds and shooting Hollywood-level travel photography. If you could fly a drone anywhere in the world, what scenic location would you want to capture from the sky? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mind Pop Central.